Can you solve this problem? So there are 37,536 bags of wheat, 35,380 bags of rice, and 25,240 bags of potatoes in a store. Find the total number of bags in the store. So our big giveaway here is total number, which probably means addition. So let's line up these numbers. First, we're going to start off with our bags of wheat. So 37,536. Below that, I will add the bags of rice, or 35,380. And below that, we'll add potatoes, 25,240. You'll notice here that I lined up all of the numbers according to their place values. So let's start. 6 plus 0 is 6. 3 plus 8 is 11. Plus 4 is 15. So let's regroup the 15 with the 5 at the bottom and the 1 at the top. 1 plus 5 is 6. 6 plus 3 is 9. 9 plus 2 is 11. We can regroup our 11 like this. 1 plus 7 is 8. 8 plus 5 is 13. 13 plus 5 is 18. So let's regroup the 18. 1 plus 3 is 4. Plus 3 is 7. Plus 2 is 9. So the total number of bags in the store is 98,156 bags.